This trend is up a whopping 10,240% since March 2021. On March 1st, 2021, the 6-month Treasury bill rate was a measly 0.05%. Our March 2021 Elliott Wave theorist said, if the rise in interest rates finally spreads to the short end of the curve so that Treasury bill rates rise too, it will be a boon for holders of interest-bearing cash equivalents. It hasn't happened yet, but it should. The theorist was spot on. As of June 30th, 2023, the Treasury bill rate was 5.17%. That is a whopping 10,240% increase from March 1st, 2021. Many millionaires are saying, what's not to like? Here's a quote from a June 28th Market Watch article. Rising interest rates, an uncertain economic outlook, and the constant drumbeat of recession have led high net worth individuals to change their investing habits. They're keeping their money in cash and cash equivalents at the highest rate in more than a decade. Specifically, the article notes, many millionaires put 34% of their wealth in cash and cash equivalents in 2022, up 10% from 2021. So the name of the game is wealth preservation while enjoying a relatively risk-free return of 5% without the drama of the stock market. The global head of Capgemini Research Institute for Financial Services spoke of the cash and cash equivalents allocation of high net worth people when he said, the jump year over year has never been so high. Perhaps these millionaires are onto something. Our just published July Elliott Wave financial forecast discusses warning signs for the stock market, including momentum considerations. Fewer New York Stock Exchange stocks, on average, have been closing higher each day, indicating a thin advance. Another warning sign is the stock market's Elliott Wave structure. Our July Elliott Wave financial forecast shows Elliott Wave labeling for the Dow Jones Industrial Average, S&P 500 Index, and the NASDAQ Composite. It might be a good idea for you to review this analysis. You may conclude, as we do, that wealth preservation seems like a pretty good idea right now. Follow the link below this video to learn how you can get instant access to our Elliott Wave financial forecast and Elliott Wave theorist, plus our thrice weekly U.S. short-term update.